Hanging toiletry kits are all the rage right now, and there's a distinctive reason for that. If you're someone like John from Unpacked, you have an irrational fear of bed bugs, and you think that everything you own when you're in an accommodation needs to be hung up. Your backpack, your suitcase, your toiletry kit, keep it away from those nasty bed bugs. For everyone else, it's just a meaningful way to organize your gear. I love being able to hang it up in a bathroom or hang it up in the shower at my accommodation, and I found them extremely useful to get easy access to all my toiletries whenever I need them. Today I'm comparing two hanging toiletry kits. One is this brand new one from Orbitkey that's live on Kickstarter right now. This is the Orbitkey Hanging Toiletry Pouch. It's not out yet to the public, it's only on Kickstarter, but it looks like it's going to retail for around $69 US. Has a 3.5 liter capacity. It measures in at 10 by 7 by 3.5 inches. It weighs 10.05 ounces empty. The exterior is made from a recycled polyester with a DWR coating, and the interior is made from a recycled nylon with a TPU coating. So it's very water resistant, but I wouldn't call it exactly waterproof. It's got some PU coated zippers for extra water resistance, but they are unbranded and non-YKK, just so you know. Then I have the hanging toiletry kit that I've been using for a while. This has been my favorite toiletry kit over the last year or so. And this is the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit. It has a 3 liter capacity, so half a liter less than the Orbitkey one. It weighs 10.3 ounces, so it's marginally heavier than the Orbitkey one. And it measures in at 7.1 by 9.8 by 3 inches. It's made from regular nylon, recycled nylon, and polyester, and it just has a bit smaller of a footprint than the Orbitkey one does. So this has been my go-to, and it fits everything I need. Let's get these both loaded out to see how they compare with my normal toiletry load. And before we go into it, just know that I'm a bald man, so obviously my toiletries are not going to be the same volume as someone else who has a ton of makeup or hair care products or things like that, so just keep that in mind. So let's start with my existing loadout and how it fits into the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit. So as you can see, this one's got a variety of pockets. Got a zipper pocket here with kind of a plasticky coating for waterproofing, as well as a slightly larger one on this side. You have a magnetic pocket that goes the length of the back of this pouch, and you can fit a ton of larger gear in there. And then you also have a big compartment over here for larger gear. And when it hangs up, you can put the larger stuff up here, the smaller stuff in here, tuck some away behind the magnetic closure. You got a good thing going. You have a grab handle on the top, and you have a nice metal hook that tucks away when you're not using it. So it's a really nice design overall. So if you want to strategically build this so that you can get to stuff easily, in the big compartment, I'm gonna put my deodorant, my Matador flat pack soap case with a bar of soap, my Bald facial sunscreen and moisturizer, my hand and lip lotion, and then in this pocket right here, since it has protection from liquids leaking, I'm gonna put my cologne atomizer, as well as my toothpaste. Then in this other smaller one that's kind of designed for a toothbrush, I'll put my County Compackable toothbrush, as well as my flossers. And then in this big magnetic compartment, I can put my travel laundry line and my Sea to Summit laundry leaves, as well as my quart-sized plastic bag, just in case they make me separate liquids at TSA. And that fits in there nicely. And then my Touchland hand sanitizer, I'm also gonna put in this large compartment. So everything fits in here beautifully, and it closes up really nicely. I mean, there's plenty of room in here to have even additional gear. So if you're someone that brings more than I usually bring, this would definitely work for you. And I like its somewhat minimal profile. You can kind of squish it down, and it fits into my personal item only backpack trips. And you can already probably tell that all of this is gonna fit easily into the Orbitkey as well, because it's so much bigger. And a lot of times people say that Bellroy overstates their capacity, and that might be the case here, because it looks like this has a lot more room than an extra half liter. But again, I didn't test this with industrial grade marbles or packing peanuts or anything. So let's see how this one fits. You have a nice little compartment at the top that's a little hanging sleeve. This looks like a great size for your toothbrush or anything long and flat, like a comb or a small hairbrush. You have a big pocket in the back here that's gusseted, so you can divide out gear. Then you have a zipper pocket in the front that's also divided out, so you have two little compartments there. And then this other side is just a large pocket where the top of it is nylon and the bottom of it is mesh. And you can fit all types of gear in here. And you also have elastic loops to hold larger things in place. So if it was hanging up, you could easily have large bottles right there. Oh, and there's also a little zipper pocket right here that would also work for a toothbrush, hairbrush, things like that. So if it's hanging up, you have easy access to all your gear. You can fold this down, get to this pocket. You have things held with the elastic. You have these two little mesh pockets, the zipper, this gusseted pocket, and this top hanging pocket. So it's really neat and nice organization. Because I don't have as much gear as the average person, I'm gonna see if I can also fit in my med pouch and kind of combine it into one large item. So let's see how this works out. For these large gussets back here, for one of them I'll put my deodorant. In the other one I'll put my Matador soap case. In this little pocket here, I'll put my lip and hand lotion in one and my toothpaste in the other. Then I'll put my portable toothbrush as well as my flossers in that top hanging pocket. Tuck those guys away. Then I have so much room left in this other compartment. I'm gonna see if I can fit my med pouch. Oh yeah, that fits really nicely. Then I have my little plastic bag, my Touchland hand sanitizer, my cologne atomizer, my Sea to Summit laundry leaves, my facial sunscreen, and my laundry line. Zip that up. Man, there's so much room in here. I could fit a whole other person's toiletries probably on top of this. There's so much unused space. This is such a large toiletry kit that you could fit all types of things. I think this would be perfect for someone who brings a ton of makeup, lotions, different kinds of hair care products. You'd have plenty of room in here. You could easily hang this up in the shower or in the bathroom to get to everything. And even with this fully loaded out, closes extremely easily. And you have the hangy loop here. You can tuck that away. Nice grab handle. And overall, a really solid, really nice, larger hanging toiletry kit if you need a lot of space to store all of your additional toiletries. As far as my keep, gift, donate, sell framework, these are both keeps but with a caveat. For me personally, because I'm always doing personal item only travel and I don't have a ton of toiletries, I'm gonna go with the Bellroy Hanging Toiletry Kit myself, just because it's the proper size, it's a little bit smaller, and it's perfect for me, squishable, malleable, fits into a ton of different backpacks, and fits absolutely everything that I need as far as toiletries. Whereas this one is a keep, but I'm definitely gonna give this to my wife. So it's gonna stay in my household, but she will definitely get more use out of this. She's someone that has like nail polish, she may have lotions, perfumes, different kinds of hair care products, shampoos, conditioners, things like that. So this has plenty of room to fit absolutely anything that she would need. So the Orbitkey one is definitely going to be her new toiletry pouch when we go on additional trips. So I think these are both super useful. They both look super nice. They have a similar profile. I really like the sage green of the Bellroy, but the Orbitkey also comes in different colors. So pick one that suits you. I think they're both attractive bags. Super minimal, super useful, ton of internal organization, lots of ability to adjust this to your tastes, and you can even use them as tech pouches if you wanted to do that as well. So they're really versatile, nice, aesthetically pleasing bags, and I think they would both be a great choice for anyone that's looking to upgrade their toiletry and DOP kit game. If you have any other DOP kits to recommend, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to check it out. If you want to check out any of my gear that I've decided not to keep, check out my eBay link. Check out my merch link for all of my cool merch, drinkware, stickers, apparel, anything you want. I've designed it all myself. Please like, comment, and subscribe in general because it helps the channel out a lot. And as far as how my life's been going, I'm in my second semester of grad school and it's been a lot. I'm taking 4 classes as opposed to 2 classes last semester, but I secured my 2 internships, and if all goes according to plan, I should be finished my master's degree next summer. If you didn't know, I'm going back for a master's of social work and I really want to focus on macro social work. So micro-social work is when you do like one-to-one clinician work, if you're a case manager, a therapist, things like that. The meso level in the middle is if you're doing community level organization. And then the macro, which is what I want to get into, is more at the state and federal level and is associated with massive change. So doing research work, advocacy, and policy work to really move forward laws, activities, and research to really move the needle on causes at a macro level. So that's what I'm focused on. I found 2 great internships. One is with a climate justice organization, and the other one is with a refugee organization. So I'm really excited to explore both of those things. And between that, I've been doing my YouTube channel, and this has been great. You guys have all been amazing. Thank you so much for watching. And if you really want to get to know me better, feel free to shoot me an email, leave a comment below. I love talking to you guys, and I want to share a little bit more of myself on this channel because I've been talking so much about the way I live and the way I carry, and I just want you to get to know me a little bit more as a person. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you in the next video. Take care.